How to log out X or Twitter account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your X app, and once you do that, click on the profile icon at the top left, and here click on the settings and support drop down at the bottom, then click on settings and privacy. You will get to this page right here, in which you will need to click on your account and then click on account information. And once you do that, you will get here where you will be able to see a red text at the bottom that says logout. Click on it. Once you do that, you will get this confirmation box. Just click on logout to confirm. And as soon as you do that, you will see that your account has been logged out from the app. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can sign out from X or Twitter app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.